Hi guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we are gonna share with you amazing recipe from Italian cuisine, guys. We all love Italian cuisine because of pasta. So here comes recipe of creamy mushroom garlic pasta from Italian cuisine, guys. You are gonna totally be mad about it because I love pasta and this is the best pasta recipe I ever tried. Guys, if you like our videos, don't forget to click the like button and you can also subscribe to our channel. Let's get it started. So guys, what are we gonna need for this amazing recipe? First of all, we are gonna need 2 tablespoons of olive oil, guys. We are gonna need approximately 300 grams of mushroom. Then we are gonna need 50 grams of white cheese, any type of pasta that you love eating, 1 piece of lemon, little bit parsley. Here I've got 2 big garlics and 4 small garlics, so in total I'm using 6, but as you see 2 are big and 4 are smaller garlic. Then I'm gonna use cream, 200 grams of cream. Then coming back to our beloved spices, guys, I'm gonna use salt, black pepper and oregano, and this is gonna be perfect. So guys, we are gonna start by opening the fire on the highest level. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. 1, this is 2. Guys, I placed 1 piece of mushroom to check if the oil was ready for the mushrooms. It looks like it's not ready yet. When you see this type of bubbles around the mushroom, it means the oil is ready. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna place all the mushrooms in. We are gonna mix them. Stage I'm gonna add our minced garlic here. And mix them all together. You see the water of mushroom came out. We want it to be cooked, so we are gonna wait until all the juice of mushrooms will go away. We see the juice of the mushroom is less now. So at this stage, we are gonna add our spices. We have here salt, black pepper, and oregano, guys. Just mix it up and spread it around the mushrooms. Then, guys, I'm gonna add our 200 grams of cream. Mix them up. Be gentle, guys. Guys, when your cream with mushrooms and garlic and spices boil up, approximately for 3 minutes, you mix them up and then you try out the mushroom, you taste it, and when the mushroom is ready, you just close it. You just close the fire. At this stage, I'm gonna take it away. So this is the boiled water. I pre-boiled it ahead. Level. Again, guys, you can use any type of pasta that you like. We like this one, so that's why I'm using this. I'm not adding any kind of salt because we try not to use salt, and anyway I've added to our cream mushroom um, already sauce. It already has salt. For that reason I'm not gonna add salt. So it's boiling. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add our pasta. Guys, we are gonna cook this pasta for 11 minutes. So guys, I told you I will cook for 11 minutes, but I like well cooked pasta, so that's why I cooked for 15 minutes. Now I'm closing the fire and taking out our pasta. So what we were gonna do, guys, is we are gonna add our mushroom sauce to our pasta. Yes. I'm gonna add our parsley for beautiful smell, guys. Then, guys, I'm adding our cheese. After doing this, I'm gonna place our pasta with all this beautiful sauce and cheese for 3 minutes in an oven. Please your oven ahead, so this way it will be much more faster. I'm right now preheating it, and I'm gonna place it only for 3 minutes, guys. 3 minutes. Right now we are gonna place for 3 minutes our pasta with sauce into our oven. See you after 3 minutes. Minutes has passed, and now our pasta is ready to come out of the oven. Yes, guys, this is the perfect look. Guys, at this stage we are gonna use the lemon skin. I have grated the lemon skin, and right now I'm just gonna take it and put it on top of it for great aroma, guys. Rest of it I'm gonna place here. Guys, bon appetit, enjoy your meal. I hope you will try it out, and you will let me know in comments what was it like to eat this perfect pasta recipe, guys. If you like our videos, don't forget to click the like button, and you can also subscribe to our channel. Wishing you all to have wonderful cozy evening, guys. Bye bye.